So let's see what's inside the box for the HTC Desire 620. Well, there's the handset. Let's have a quick look at this. So first up, you can see this phone is lightweight and actually fits in your hand. You can use it with one hand, which is pretty much a tremendous boon for a smartphone these days. Lots of them you can't. There are those speakers we were talking about. Also, that's your front camera. 5 megapixels on that one, but does shoot 1080p video. Also get 1080p HD video off the rear camera, but an LED flash, and it's 8 megapixels. Also, nice and thin, the phone there, and you can see the two-tone colour that they have. And there are those buttons that were moved as well. Okay, so let's see what else we've got. Okay, of course, have your charger, standard USB charger. Anyone who's had an HTC before will be used to that. And your headphones as well. So, let's have a quick look at the charger. Oh, just your standard USB and there you go, take the band off. It plugs in like so. Obviously that bit goes into your wall socket. And then the slot you will find at the bottom of the handset, like so. There's your plug. Let's have a quick look at the headphones. So, have a quick look at these. Obviously, pretty nice looking headphones. And that goes in to the 3.5mm jack at the top of the phone there. And the last thing that we see in the box is, if I can find it, the battery. Okay, so kind of an old school design on this one. With the Desire 620, you actually pop your own battery in. And the way you do that is you take the rear cover off, if you can do it. There you go. Not something I've done for many years, I must admit. And then pop your battery in like that, but also there's the slot for your SIM. There's the slot for your micro SD card if you want to expand the phone's memory. And all you've got to do is just pop it back on. Battery's now in. This is the best bit. Peeling that plastic off. Your screen will never ever look as shiny as it does that first time, will it? And then simply turn it on, the button there at the side. So there you have it. That's what you will find in the box of the HTC Desire 620, and for a full comprehensive rundown on the phone, make sure you check out our review.